We're going to dive straight into Bitcoin metrics today. Now, longtime members here will know what these are, but I think it's important that we talk about it for our newer members. Bitcoin Emotional Index is up first. We're going to head into the live charts. You want to see live data as much as possible. Now, historical data is going to be the most important thing to watch. Historical data is really all we have to check out patterns. Right now, Bitcoin had fallen into anxious territory, very nearly pushing into fearful, but we've jumped into neutral as of today. Back here, you're going to see that anxious territory resulted in moves up. All the way back here, anxious territory all the way back up to greedy saw massive moves up. A fearful reading was an even more dramatic pump. Guys, whenever you see a reading in anxious or fearful, this could be an opportunity to buy in. And that's because whale money comes in when retail traders are feeling the most dejected, when they are feeling scared, when they're feeling anxiety, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is when whales want to buy in because that's where a bunch of sell pressure is. So if they can buy the bottom, they're going to maximize their profits on the way back up. Now, a neutral reading today most often just indicates a continuation. Right here, we bottomed out in anxious, got into neutral, the price continued up until we pushed into excited or greedy, which is going to be bearish for the opposite reasons. As retail begins to buy and gets excited, gets greedy, looking to get as much money as possible, that's when whales are going to start buying. That's when whales are going to start selling out in order to make the maximum profits. Alrighty, let's take a look at the next metric. This is going to be the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. View the live chart here, and you're going to see a series of orange bars. Over the past week or so, we've seen these orange bars point towards long sentiment. This means whales are looking to take long trades. And as we scroll back, once again, you're going to notice a consistent pattern. Anytime we peak on these orange bars towards long trades, this is typically the bottom where you're going to see moves up in price. Over and over again, this is what we're seeing. All the way up here with a value of about 952, we saw a pump in the market. Back here at a value of 970 and then 1,139, we saw a move up and then an even bigger move up. Now today we are seeing moves down. We are seeing an orange bar pointing down towards short trade sentiment. And most often, this is where you're going to see drops in the market. Opposite signals here because it means whales are more likely to short trade. Typically though, we want to see a value of about -700 or more, or I guess technically less because it's a negative number, before we really see those larger moves down. So for now, we could see a little bit further of a move up, but this one is pointing bearish because of the short trade sentiment. Before we move on to the next metric, guys, we have a word from the founder of Trade Confident, Travis Martin himself. Guys, we have a brand new future forecast out and he's going to tell you all about it. This one is going to be one of the best future forecasts we've made yet. So stay tuned and take a look.
Guys, good morning. I know I'm interrupting this video real quick, and yes, you are correct. There's a Valentine's Day balloon behind me. My wife strapped this to my chair, and it's through the entire future forecast that I just came out with for our members. Quick interruption in Jake's video right now. Here's what I'm going to talk about this morning. I highly recommend you guys get a membership. Watch this. I'm going to give you guys a masterclass on Bitcoin dominance. Okay, listen. What is about to happen is going to happen insanely fast, and I do not believe some of you guys are prepared. If you're holding Bitcoin, you are set up to have depreciated gains over altcoins coming. I'm going to show you guys where we're currently at and what's happened in past cycles of what's happened when the RSI and multiple indicators have lined up to where they're at right now, and why our account has jumped $150,000 in the last 24 hours. And I believe we are on the cusp of entering into a very bullish time. I'm also going to show this to you guys from an 11-year perspective. And then I actually want to share a prophetic dream I had with you guys 2 nights ago that I really feel like the Lord wants me to share with you guys about what's coming. I've had 3 of these dreams. All 3 of them have come true. And I feel like I just want to share this with you guys. This is in the future forecast. I won't show that to you guys here. Jake, go ahead and show them how to get into the future forecast. But this is a forecast you guys don't want to miss. I will set you guys up for success and show you exactly what I'm doing, guys, to capture the most profit in this cycle. You need to get ready very soon. Jake, take it away.
All right, welcome back, guys. We're going to finish this up with the last 2 metrics. The first one is the Bitcoin dollar cost average entry exit options. We're going to view the live chart. And for those of you that want just easy entry and exit signals, I'm talking green bars for entry, red bars for exits. This is the chart for you. Right now, we're not seeing any bars one way or the other. We see a gray bar to the upside. This is the bearish end, but it's not until we see a red bar that we really look for those drops in the market. And on the flip side, entry signals can be found on the green bars. Immediately, this saw a move up. Back here, green bar, the exact bottom before massive pumps. Green bar, massive pump. Green bar, massive pump. Guys, it really is as simple as that. Red bars see moves down. Green bars see fantastic dollar cost average opportunities, most often catching the bottom before a big move up. And the last chart, the Bitcoin support and resistance levels chart, is going to help you find support and resistance. This is especially beneficial to traders who are new to the market and don't quite know how to find these. A support level is often where you're going to find Bitcoin bouncing from. You're going to notice that this line here is consistently touched and bounced from. These areas are great support levels, and it's going to be difficult for the price to break below that. And this is going to sit anywhere between $91,178 and $89,028. Anywhere in this range is going to be a great potential entry opportunity. Now, on the flip side, we are nearly testing resistance. $99,860 is our main resistance that we're testing right now. Currently, the price is $98,700. And what we're going to see at this point is often the price is actually going to reject from, like right here, rejection. Right here, it stalled before it moved up, and then we crashed back below this level and have yet to pass above it. From there, we also have $108,388 and $109,358. This is actually the all-time high, and it's going to be very difficult for the price to break it. But once it does, we can expect massive moves up. With that in mind, guys, you have the tools to make your entries and maximize your profits for longer term swing trades. This is what we provide in our metrics, and we have metrics across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Algorand, and more. I'm talking 40 coins worth of metrics, guys. This can all be had in the membership, and that's on top of our future forecast coaching videos, trade setups that we are calling out, because I'm not going to show you the exact trades right now, but we can scroll down to check out some of the wins. Right here, we recently had a win on January 31st for 10% take profit on ICP. Right here, DIA, another 10% profit. Injective, 10% profit. Over and over again, guys, we are crushing it in this market, and we are calling out very successful trades for our members. I want to let you know you can access all of this and more at the links in the description down below. Very first link is what you're looking for our membership. And guys, it's going to offer you 25% off your first month, less than $50 to get started, and you can be a member of Trade Confident. Guys, our members are consistently making more money than what we charge for our monthly fee. That is our goal here. We want to create education and space for our members to earn the maximum profit possible. So with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.